Welcome! So if you're here, you probably clicked this very red button right here, click to view full help video. I will demonstrate the rest of this process that I couldn't on the main video you watched. This is due to YouTube's terms of service policies, guys. So let me help you, let's start. First, I'm going to pretty much delete the Pokemon Go app from my home screen. However, this will work for whatever app you will get, so let's just pretty much delete it, remove app. You can see I'm just deleting it right now so I can show you how to download it. Remove Pokemon Go++, delete app, there we go. Right guys, so now that is deleted, let's go back to Safari and let's just press continue. And you'll see this looking for sponsored apps bit right here. And now guys, you can see we've got fitness and workout. Download this app and run 30 seconds to complete the step. That right there is the instruction, so you'll make sure you complete that instruction and fulfill it to the best of your ability. And normally we'll be able to pretty much install only 2 sponsored apps, but there may be more or less depending on your region. So with that out of the way, let's tap let's go. Okay, so you can see before we continue, make sure to follow the offer instruction fully. Make sure you aren't using VPN proxy. Tap continue, there we go. And we just pretty much have to download this app right here. So just download this app, fitness and workout. You may have different apps, but if you do, that won't affect the process, guys. And you must do this to gain access to the install prompt, because that supports developers, guys. It pretty much makes them like a few cents each, and it helps to keep the entire website running. So you can see guys, it's just downloading right here, installing now. So you can see it's done installing, and after it's done installing, you want to pretty much close this page and just read this instruction. So download this app for 30 seconds to complete the step. That right there is my instruction, so let's go do that. So you can see fitness and workout, let's just open it. And now my camera is on about 1 minute 55, so let's just wait till it hits 2 minutes 25, guys. So let's just pretty much wait. And I'm talking about the timestamp, of course, because, you know. But yeah guys, basically these are this is helping support developers, because it is pretty much running sponsored apps, which makes them like a few cents each and helps to keep the whole website and service running. So you can see guys, I'm just swiping around. You'll have to interact with it, so if you have some like options, you'll want to press some buttons or something. So let's just do that. Okay, and now that's done guys, we just basically want to close, go ahead and close the application, go back to Safari. And now you'll see the next app option. So tap next app. Right, you'll see something along the lines of present guided meditation or something. Download, install this app, run it for 30 seconds to complete the step. That right there is the instruction. So you just want to tap on let's go. And you'll see before you continue, it's the same thing guys. So just tap and continue. Okay. So now just download this application, present guided meditation. Alright, it's just downloading for us right now. There we go. And you can see guys, let's just go back. So again, pretty much just press this button, close this page, stay on this page, and just read the instructions. So for me, it's download and install this app for 30 seconds to complete this step. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can see guys, I'm back at the home screen, and there still is no Pokemon Go, because Pokemon Go is the application that I was getting from this ecstasyapps.com website. So let's just tap on present, and now let's just wait for it to run. Okay, so now my camera is on 3 minutes 45 seconds, so let's wait till it hits 4 minutes 5 seconds guys. That way we will ensure we are running this application for about 30 seconds. And I'm not editing this video because I want to truly show you that this does actually work, and you're just pretty much supporting small teams such as Ecstasy Apps and Correct Mods, which is the person and team behind the Pokemon Go++ application that I'm getting right now. Okay, so now that's done guys, and we've just been running this application. So again, you just want to pretty much just tap around the app and just interact with it. And once that's done, you can go back to your home screen, open Safari or Chrome, and you'll see this next app button again. So let's just tap on next app. And you can see guys, it says thanks, you're done, and you'll have some info right there. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds for the install prompt to show up. And as you can see guys, it says offers complete. App will now install to your home screen after you press install app. Once installed, you can delete the apps you downloaded. So yeah guys, you basically just have to wait and just keep trying until you get this offers complete. And now let's just tap on install app. Okay, and if you see this loading circle guys, it means it is working. Okay, so now you'll be taken to your lock screen, and this is completely pretty much just legit, because you can see, let's just unlock my iPhone. You can see I've just used Face ID guys, and now you just want to swipe up. So you can see I've now installed Pokemon Go++ on my device. So let's just open this application. And you can see guys, it says Pokemon Go++ by Correct Mods, features joystick, GPS spoofer, snipe, teleport and more. No revoke, because this will not revoke guys, you can see it says right there, no revoke. Thanks for using ecstasyapps.com. So let's just tap continue, and we can play the game guys. You can see I've got the joystick and everything, and this is awesome, but this will work on every other app that's on ecstasyapps.com as well guys. So yeah, this is how you use ecstasyapps.com, and I hope you enjoyed and this helped you out. Peace out, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.